The new Royal Enfield Scram 411 is a simplified version of Himalayan. It is more versatile and is much more suitable for city street riding. The Scram 411 uses the same engine and chassis as of the Himalayan. The 411 comes with front and rear disc brakes with dual channel ABS. Unlike the Himalayan, the Scram 411 gets a smaller 19-inch wheel at the front and ground clearance has been lowered to 200 mm. The headlamp is positioned a little lower to give an urban look to the bike. The 15-liter fuel tank remains unchanged and the new set of graphic gives it a unique look. The 411 comes with a stepped-up single-piece seat. The Scram 411 is lighter than the Himalayan and weighs in at 185 kilograms. The Scram 411 gets a new front end design with a new cast metal cowl headlamp. The instrument panel also is new and consists of a single pod unit. Royal Enfield also offers a trip and navigation screen as an extra option. The digital analog instrument cluster provides access to information on the digital screen such as odometer, trip meter, time, fuel gauge with low warning, and service reminder. The new Scram 411 is available in 7 colors across 3 variants. The Scram 411 does not feature a secondary fender, tall windscreen, or wraparound frame. It also doesn't have a rear luggage rack. The Ex-showroom the Scram 411 starts at 2,03,000 onwards. Please go through the description to know more on the price and other details.